Hey everybody, welcome. Another glorious day doing another gloriously fun thing with the fire department. So thank you for everybody for attending today's push-in ceremony. With me, I'm Penny Sweet, Mayor of the City of Kirkland right now, and with me here today are Councilmember John Pascal, Councilmember Toby Nixon, Councilmember Neil Black, Councilmember Kelly Curtis, and also with us is young firefighter Mason. Woo! Hey Mason! Anyway, this is our push-in ceremony, and of course the celebration for the arrival of our newest fire engine. The history of the push-in ceremony dates back to the early days of the American Fire Service of the 1800s, when horse-drawn equipment had to be pushed back into the station following a call. I wonder if a horse could pull 46,000 pounds. Just checking. That tradition morphed and has been adopted by the modern fire service when taking delivery of a new piece of apparatus. Today marks the reintroduction of the push-in ceremony for the Kirkland Fire Department and the City of Kirkland. We are happy and proud to share this moment with our community. F618 will respond as E124 out of Firehouse 24 beginning today, November 17th, 2023. So I guess let's get pushing.